Welcome to Math Energy. In this video, I am going to show you some easy way of multiplication. Let's start with the first way. Square a number ending with 5, like 35 for the power of 2, 65 for the power of 2, 135 to the power of 2. Let's start with the first one, 35 for the power of 2. The first step, we will multiply the last digit by itself. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Then go to number 3 and multiply this number by the number that comes after 3. The number comes after 3 equals 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Write it here. So the answer is 1225. Next one, 65 for the power of 2. The first step, 5 times itself, 5 times 5 equals 25, write it here. And then go to number 6 times the number that come after 6 is 7. So 6 times 7 equals 42. So the answer is 4225. Let's go to the next one, 135 for the power of 2. In the same way, 5 times itself equals 25. And then 13 times the number that comes after 13 is 14. So 13 times 14 equals 182. So the answer is 18,225. Let's go to the next way. Multiplying two numbers which the sum of units place equals 10 and digits before that are the same, like 48 times 42. Look at the units here, 8 and 2, and 8 plus 2 equals 10, so we can solve this problem by this way. We will start by times. 8 times 2 equals 16, and then times this number by the number which come after 4. The number that comes after 4 equals 5, so 4 times 5 equals 20. So the answer is 2016. Next one, in the same way, 3 times 7 equals 21, put it here, and then times 3 by the next number, 3 times 4, 3 times 4 equals 12. So the answer is 1221. Next one, we will start with units. 2 times 8 equals 16, and then multiply this number by the number that comes after 13. The number is 14. So 13 times 14 equals 182. So the answer is 18,216. Let's go to the next way. Multiplying two numbers which the sum of tens place equals 10 and the units place digits are the same, like 36 times 76. The first step, we will multiply 6 times 6. So 6 times 6 equals 36, write it here. And then times the tens digits, 3 times 7 equals 21. And then add the units to this number. So 21 plus 6 equals 27, write it here. So the answer is 2736. Next one, in the same way, we will start with the units. So 5 times 5 equals 25, write it here. And then go to multiply the tens. 8 times 2 equals 16. And don't forget to add the units. 5 plus 16 equals 21. So the answer is 2125. Next one, we will start with the unit. 7 times 7 equals 49. And then go to the tens. 9 times 1 equals 9. And don't forget to add the units. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. So the answer is 1649. Let's go to the last way. Multiply any two-digit numbers, like 32 times 24. Now we will start to put points like this, 1, 2 and 3, and start with the first digit, 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6, write it here, and then go to the units. 2 times 4 equals 8, write it here, and to get the middle number we will multiply 2 times 2 equals 4, and 3 times 4 equals 12, so 2 times 2 and 3 times 4, and add this number. 4 plus 12 equals 16, so I will write 16 here. But in this point I want to write just one digit, so I will write 6 here, and carry out this one and add this one to this number, so the 6 become 7. So the answer is 7, 6 and 8. Next one, 21 times 45. In the same way we will start with the first. 2 times 4 equals 8, and don't forget points, and 1 times 5 equals 5, and to get the middle number in the same way we will times this two number. 1 times 4 equals 4, and these two numbers, 2 times 5 equals 10, add them. 4 plus 10 equals 14, so we will write 14 here. This 4 we will write it here, so 4, and carry out this one, add this one to the 8, so 1 plus 8 equals 9, so the answer is 9, 4 and 5. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoy watching it. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.